Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where System Keyboards live. Tap Settings, then scroll to General. This groups core device controls. Once done, tap Keyboard and you'll see the keyboard list and shortcuts. This first step exposes both built-in and third-party keyboards, plus quick toggles like autocorrection and smart punctuation. Make sure to pause at the top where installed keyboards appear, because that's where you add or remove keyboards, so you can control languages and layouts immediately. Now adjust behavior so typing matches your style. Toggle autocorrection, predictive text, and smart punctuation to change how suggestions and punctuation work. Doing this reduces unwanted edits or speeds typing. Use text replacement to create shortcuts. This saves time for frequent phrases. To add a language or third-party keyboard, tap Keyboards, then add New Keyboard. Once installed, you can rearrange or delete keyboards. This controls the globe icon cycle, so you only switch to keyboards you actually use. Finish by fine-tuning and checking the result. Reorder or delete keyboards using Edit in the Keyboards list so the globe cycles predictably. If autocorrect is wrong often, reset the keyboard dictionary to clear learned words. This restores default corrections. If changes don't apply, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot registers new keyboards and toggles. And make sure iOS is up to date, because updates fix keyboard bugs if problems persist. Try removing third-party keyboards to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.